Yo, back in action. Okay, so it's kind of gangster. Big ol' F350 down, and then I can throw the brake caliper on the rotor, and then we're good to go. So I don't want that. So I don't want that. So I don't want that. First things first, is got the hub back from the machine shop, and actually got a new hub from Lexus. Again, G over at Lexus of Concord. You're the fucking homie. Thanks for hooking me up again with the price on these parts, bro. I appreciate that shit. Honestly, like, getting OEM stuff for not a whole lot, it's fucking awesome. So thank you again for like plugging me with the parts, bro. I appreciate it. I'm gonna bring you a fucking t-shirt or some shit. Machine shop pressed in the ARPs for me at no charge, and then he just put the new bearing in there and stuff. So let's actually see what this thing spins like now compared to the other one. Oh yeah, much better, much better. That's pretty. I like that. All right. What's really nice about these IS300s is they are so simple to get to, like all the ball joints, the control arm. It's so easy. So from here, you're gonna do the tie rod arm. That's all you're gonna like put that one on. You're gonna do the lower axle carrier nut arm. That bolt right there with the ball joint. This one with the ball joint, and then the upper control arm up here with the ball joints. The whole arm comes off and the hub and everything. So it was very easy to put it back on. I was only away from the camera for like maybe 10 minutes. I'm just gonna tighten everything, torque them down, and then I can throw the brake caliper on, the rotor, and then we're good to go. The torque specs are 91 on the big 22 mil bolt, and then it's 83 to 85 and 83 to 85 on the two 17 mil bolts. And then cotter pin and castle nut, or cotter pin through the castle nut, and then should be good to go. No, that was probably the coldest cold start this thing's had for a little while. I have not yet fixed my battery ground in the trunk, cranking around 8.5 amps instead of like 11 or 12 where it should be at. So it's always a rough crank, and it's not enough battery power to start it up, so it takes a little bit. But I'm gonna go driving around, make sure the steering and everything's all good. I didn't fuck with anything. I didn't change anything. It should be fine. All right, well, it's a sad day. I had to let go of the Dmax. Homie is taking it away right there. I can't remember what this guy's name was. His name was Jordan Tuck. Cool dude. I hope he actually enjoys the truck. I just didn't get time to actually like put some money into it. But it is sold. Dmax is gone. And I know I only owned it for a couple months. It's not that much really. Whatever, what are you gonna do? I didn't want to have to fix the truck after I bought it for a good price. Pretty much sold it for what I got into it for. It's a learning experience. I got to make sure I invest my money in the right areas. I know I want to build race cars and do a drift car. I don't want to have a project truck. So that's the only thing I don't want. But I was transparent with him. I let him know it needs injectors, it needs grease on the drive shaft, a few things. It's not too bad. Things that can actually be taken care of for 3 or 4 grand. So they said they're going to be working on it. They're cool dudes. But yeah, Dmax is gone. I think I might be going Powerstrokes. All right, Mr. fucking 925 Trucks wants to stop by my house and show me his fucking Ford. This thing is kind of gangster. Big ol' F350. I think it's I know it's a Lariat. I don't know that it is a Platinum. Yeah, that's sick. I like that shit. Gonna do a little rip. Jesus Christ, dude. Ford sounds good. This truck is sick. That thing is, I think it's mean. I mean, I was looking at newer Fords, but even that 6.0, that was pretty cool. It didn't look that Stone Age in the interior. It actually looked like it was decently updated. So, shit, maybe I'll consider one of those things. So, I know you guys are always asking, like, what else I'm doing besides filming the car and fucking around with it and stuff. And I mean, to be honest, I haven't even really touched it this week so far as doing the hub. But I just wanted to show you guys real fast. Like, this is my fucking new snowboarding shit setup. Like, I'm selling this board, Helix over here. This thing's just, it's too hard to ride. It's just, it's a little too advanced for me. Let's see if we go sideways here. That works. Which I'm fine to admit. It's a dope ass board though. But the DOA is what I really wanted, and that's the shit I just got right there. So nice. I'm doing a little flat lay here for the guys that plugged me on this stuff. This is George at Milo Sport. He's the homie. He plugged me with most of this shit here. It's up in Auburn. It used to be in Lafayette, but if you guys skate or snowboard, ski, etc., and you need to buy shit, just go up to Milo, and I hope he's stoked on that. They love the exposure too. George is the shit, but yeah, he lives near me, so that's why I've been buying a lot of his stuff, and his brand is dope. I like their shop, their jacket, and he plugged me with my new board. So this is my shit, man. And she looks cool as shit. I'm pumped. I'm fucking pumped. I've not been here yet. What's kind of funny is to vlog in public, like when there's people around, because everybody's looking at you like, what the fuck does this guy have his camera on himself for? Turn it around, but whatever. Look at her. She's even laughing at me, you little bastard. Alright, we're gonna ride Sierra for a little bit. I'll bring the GoPro out after the first few runs so we get like comfortable and see the mountain and stuff. Look at this sick ass fucking Powerstroke. Oh my goodness. Jesus, I want one. That's an 08 though. I don't want that. It's sick though. This is the hottest day I've ever been involved in. Yeah, so I suck. I didn't bring the GoPro out because we just wanted to have fun, and it was weird. The first vibe, like the first few lifts we went up, everything was like quiet. I don't know. I don't want to say everything was like too judgy here, but I don't know. Their park was cool. Did you have fun in their park?
Yeah, I had fun. I like Bear better.
Yeah, the place we go, Bear Valley's, it's not like the best mountain, but it's fun. It's got like a fun environment and stuff too. I don't know. I just feel like this is like a judging place.
All right, don't film my toes.
Don't film your toes?
Don't.
Are they nasty?
Yeah.
Let's see those bitches. No, I didn't bring the GoPro out. I would have had to hold I don't have a helmet. I don't have a helmet mount, so I would have had to hold it. I don't want to do that bullshit.
Look at that.
So, I'll definitely bring the GoPro out on Mount Rose in 2 days. Yeah, what sucks is it's so freaking hot. Like it's 55, 60 degrees and everything's just melting. So it was like slush boarding today. However, this cap at a DOA absolutely just fucking brutalizes it. It's so much fun riding that thing. Love that damn board. What I need to do is get me this. I can't stop looking at it.
What you told?
Oh my god.
Caught in a
So
daydream, being on your own. My soul is younger, my body's overgrown. Hold to the feeling before we get too old. I'm not like all of my friends. I'd rather get lost in conversation until we fade into each other again. I want this moment slip out through my hands. Don't ever know.
This little deck. This little deck's dope. Wow, look at that. What did you just say? You said that on video? You said something about sexums? This is kind of cool. There's oh my god, this is it's funny. She's peeing. Okay. All right. Little bathroom. Ooh, nice little bed. Somebody forgot their bags. This is sweet. We're chilling. Little baby cabin. What's poppin'? All right, well, we got our cabin. Now we just need to run to Safeway and grab some stuff to make burgers. Good morning, mother. Oh, I probably shouldn't start with the F. Good morning, guys. This is the best song on the planet. I don't know if you guys have heard this one. Bruno Mars' album is the shit. We're waking up. I'm eating my bowl of Captain Crunch because that's exactly what I eat in the morning. This cabin life living is just the shit. It's so cool. So much fun to do it. Like this little cozy ass, cute little cabin. We watched the rest of the Super Bowl here yesterday. And now we're just getting ready for the day this morning. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I think we're just gonna walk around, chill, maybe go to one of the casinos. I've never been to a casino. And when we were passing through South Lake, it looked kind of fun to go to like Harvey's or Hard Rock. So I think we might do that. And then, oh shit, right on the computer. God damn it. Got paper towel. Beyond that, I don't know. Might go get some ice cream, go shop a bit, either in South Lake or maybe hit the North Star shops, look around out here. We're gonna go out and get dinner tonight and just like experience Tahoe. We've been up here both individually and then together once, but like, so I think it's just pretty much like safe to say in California this is probably our favorite spot besides San Luis Obispo. But we want to like go and do more things here. This song's the shit, dude. Bruno Mars' album is the shit. I may have a problem because all my money is going to snowboarding. Just bought this lady some sick ass bindings and this mother effing legit board. It's Never Summer Fun Slinger. All right. She needed something that's gonna be lighter, a little bit more flexy, have a little bit more fun. I mean, you can't tell me that shit is not just dope. Look at that. Let's go sideways here. Y'all gonna turn your heads because I can't zoom out that much. Might be able to. Let's see. So nice. Hell yeah. Snowboarding has taken on my life. It's nothing. All right, cool. I'm gay. All right. Another day chilling back at the cabin. We were gonna go out and do some bougie shit, but we decided not to. We decided to kick it and stay inside. Oh shit. That's for the burgers.
The burgers or the fries?
That's the fries, I mean. Not the burgers. Way better white balance. Alright, shut up, damn it. I thought I turned you off. Right now we're making some dinner, watching The Bachelor. You know what's cool about vacations though is like you don't even necessarily need to do something. We're kicking it right now, having hella fun. This is a fucking blast. Like we've just been relaxing. Usually we're not around environments where we can kind of just kick it in each other's presence. Usually it's just like us, my brother, my sister, my mom, or her family, a bunch of other shit. So it's kind of nice to get away. Right? Mm-hmm. Sing it, girl. She's singing this entire song right before I started videoing. Okay, yeah.
We're on Mount Rose right now. This place is actually kind of dope. If you go on Tuesdays, it's 2 for Tuesday, so it's 2 people with the price of 1 lift ticket, so it's actually kind of sick.
Love is what happens when you make other plans. Teach me to never second guess. I'm not like all of my friends. I'd rather get lost in conversation until we fade into each other again. I will let this moment slip right through my hands.